Vulners dashboard for Splunk allows one to use Splunk as a vulnerability assessment platform and security scanner. It collects information about installed packages on your Linux servers and automatically checks whether they are vulnerable using Vulners database. You can use it to be aware of most critical vulnerabilities present in your infrastructure. To install Vulners application, you need to download the ready-to-go package from the official Vulners GitHub repository or build it yourself using sources from the same repository. After uploading files through Splunk App Management Panel, you need to restart Splunk host, or you can do it later. In Applications menu, you will see the Vulners app. At first start, app will ask you to add your API key. Next step is to obtain Vulners API key from vulners.com/API keys. Here, you can restrict or use universal API scope. Choose license type. You can also restrict usage of current key for specific IP address. Later, use generated key in the Splunk panel. Step 3. Add index. You need to create new index named Vulners in order to allow the app to store data received from forwarders. If you install Splunk infrastructure for the first time, you need to set up a receiving port. By default, it's number 9997. Forward. Use the same tar package you used in receiver server to install forward application. After unarchiving file, move Vulners lookup folder to Splunk home/etc/apps. You can use other apps there. Vulners app is using several Python libraries, so they should be installed on forwarder machine. If you installed forwarder for the first time, be sure to set up server to send data using command add forwarder server and providing IP and port of your receiver machine. Also make sure forwarder has network access to the receiver. By default, forwarder is sending information about packages hourly or right after restart. To see collected packages, write search by index equals vulners. After that, collected packages should be checked for vulnerabilities using Vulners Audit API. Application is running audit script automatically at 9:00 a.m. Alternatively, you can hit pipe saved search vulners_report.